Hi guys, welcome to Learn WordPress with Sijal Bergami Part 2. In this part we will describe what is domain, hosting, WordPress plugins, themes, blogs and pages. The internet definition of domain is an identification string that defines a realm of administrative autonomy, authority or control within the internet. If we break it down into simple words, we can say that the address or the string which we write in our browser address bar is known as domain, like google.com, hotmail.com. There are lots and lots of websites available in the internet, and each website has a domain name, and it just like google.com and hotmail.com. Next, what is hosting? The internet definition of hosting is a type of web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals and organizations to make their website accessible via the World Wide Web. We know that the website contains some pages, some images, it has some data. This data must be stored at some server or some computer which should be accessible to all the people in the world. It must be available on the internet at all times. So here comes the hosting. This is the purpose of the hosting. There are different types of hosting, but the two main types of hosting are shared and the dedicated. The shared hosting is that there is a server in which you have been allocated a specific space, like 1 GB of hard disk, 4 GB of RAM, and one core processor is available to you, and the same resources might be available to some other person who is hosting website in that particular server. And the dedicated type of hosting is that there is only the specific server is assigned to you. All the files are hosted on that particular server, and that server hosts only your website. No other person has access to that server to put their files there. Let's dig into some WordPress topic, like WordPress plugin. WordPress plugin adds the functionality to WordPress website. The WordPress website comes with a very basic functionality. All the other functionality can be added by using plugins. Some famous plugins are WooCommerce. This plugin adds the functionality of e-commerce to your website. Yoast SEO. With the help of this simple plugin, you can update your website and make it more SEO friendly. And then the name of plugin is Akismet. This plugin helps you with the spamming on your website. It stops spamming on your website. There are lots and lots of plugins available to increase the functionality of WordPress. Now, what is the WordPress theme? WordPress theme changes the appearance of your website. Your website has a blue color in the background, but if you want to change that color, it can be done by using a theme. Famous themes are Ocean, WP, and Astra. These are paid. There are some paid themes available on WordPress, and there are some free themes available. Ocean WP has a free version and paid version. And Astra has also a paid version and a free version. Free version has a limited set of functionality, whereas the paid version has all the functionality available, and also the support will be available. Support from the developers will be available to you. The WordPress blogs is a special type of website devoted to sharing thoughts, photos, reviews, tutorial, recipes, and so much more. Blog usually display the most recently published content first. It means it has a chronological order. That is, you can make the blog, the recent blogs to your publish on your website. You can show that blog first, and then your least recent blogs, and then so on. Blogs is also category. Blogs can be divided into categories, and also tags can be assigned to these blogs. Pages, if we talk about pages are static on off type content, such as your about page, privacy page, content page, etc. They are not chronological order, and they are usually static. In the next video, we will tell you how to I will tell you how to install WordPress on your local computer. Till then, see you. Bye bye.